Just listen to that. That's nature. That's abundance. That's beauty on a Saturday morning around 8 o'clock, I believe. I hope your life flows freely like that at times. It's important to unplug. Notice all the light around you. We are all connected to that on many levels of consciousness. Meditation is a wonderful tool to connect to that healing source. I hope in this few weeks ahead of us, this wonderful summertime of heat, that we take time to nurture ourselves and reconnect to the greatest sources of light and love in the universe. It's also a great time for forgiveness. It's a time to let go of the pains of the past. Release that pain. Don't pay. We've paid enough. We don't need to keep paying that debt. That debt is gone. Just let it go. Some of us feel like we have to pay over and over and over and over again for our sins. Sometimes religion teaches us that. It's the farthest thing from the truth. Don't pay. You paid enough. Release it today. Connect to that free-flowing energy that surrounds you. Let it awaken inside you. Never forget that you are loved. You are never truly alone. You are vibrationally connected to so much. Have a great day.